Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing some beautiful nails on my new practice hand. I've already filed and buffed the nails. So first of all, I'll be following this step by step. All links in the description box below, and then I'll also be following that mood board by Natalie Clark. We do these mood boards monthly in the Nail Sugar group, so be sure to join that and check them out. Oh, I've decided to name my hand or client Gracie, because I searched the name and the meaning of Anne, and I don't know how you say it, is Grace, so I thought I'd change it to Gracie. So here I'm just doing 2 coats of white gel polish, curing in between, nice thin layers. And now I'm just going to matte top coat the nail. Just a nice thin layer, just making sure you cover the whole nail. Okay, so now while that's in for a cure, I'm going to put some black gel polish on my palette. And then this looks red, but it's actually a bright pink, neon pink. So do that, and then I'll get my Natalie Mugridge detailer brush, best brush ever. Always say it, but it's true. So I'm just putting my detailer brush into the hot pink and just doing little, what could you call them, little splodges. This is my first ever time of doing animal print or leopard print. Here's just a picture just to remind you. So I'm just putting little splodges on the nail. It doesn't have to be perfect. They don't have to be all the same shape, same size. That's the fun thing about animal print that I've found. So just putting them nice and evenly all over the nail. I did do a little mistake. I cured the pink gel polish and didn't realise there was glitter on the image. So what I'd done was got some no wipe top coat and just dipped my dotting tool into that and then into the glitter, and then just dabbing it on. Just over the pink bits. Then I decided to put some no white top coat onto my palette and then mix some glitter in. It was just made it a bit easier for me. And once you're happy, pop it in for a cure and then brush off any excess glitter that's gone onto any part of the nail. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Jack. Where did Jack come from? I meant black gel polish, and just putting little lines around the little pink dots, splodges, whatever you want to call them. Now I'm just going in between, just adding little dots and some little lines, just to add that extra effects. It was actually easier than I thought, to be honest. Some things scare you, don't they? But you just got to keep out the comfort zone. Keep out the comfort zone. I meant step out your comfort zone. Gosh, what is with my words today? If you want to purchase this hand, I will leave a link in the description box below. I am not an ambassador or anything. It's just basically a little referral code. You get £5 off your purchase too. So now I'm just going in with some No Wipe Top Coat by SBD London to make it nice and shiny. I love this top coat, it's so shiny. It's pretty. Okay, so just a reminder of the mood board. It is Natalie's birthday month, which is the big 40. So I thought I'd do a 2-in-1 set, seeing my step-by-step matched her mood board. So now I'm just going in with some black gel polish. I'm only doing one layer of this because I'm going to do it into a marble nail. Okay, so I'm just getting my palette and putting some black, pink and white gel polish in lines. Just make sure you check your brush to see if there's any other colours on your brush, because you don't want to contaminate your other bottles, especially with black or white or any colour for that matter. Yeah, so I'm just doing that, and then I pop some blooming gel from Neo over the black. Do not cure this layer. Just a nice thin coat, not too thick, you don't need to. Okay, so now I'm just going to get my ombre brush and then just gently scoop up the gel polish off my palette and then gently float over the nail. I wasn't too happy with this marble, but my other friends said it looked nice. So we're always hard on ourselves, aren't we? I've definitely got the too much gene. I should have just left it as a swirl across the nail. Oh well. We live and learn. Okay, so once you're happy with that, pop it in for a cure. The stand to my hand kept falling over because they don't stick very well to normal desks. So now what I've done is got a resin plaque, stuck the stand to that, and then put some double-sided sticky tape underneath the plaque. So now it's nicely stuck to my desk. Okay, so now I'm going in with some black glitter. I missed what it was called, but I'm sure you should have seen what it was called. And I'm just adding little bits through the nail just to give it that little bit of sparkle. Now I'm going in with some No Wipe Top Coat again, and then pop that in for a cure. Okay, so now I'm going in with the hot pink again. And then I'm going to do 2 coats of this. Nice thin layers. And just look at that colour, it's beautiful. I love neons. Neons, blues, corals. Okay, so now I'm going in with some matte top coat and then just pop that in for a cure once you're done. Now I'm going to get my Natalie Mugger's detail brush and use some black gel polish. And I'm going to be doing the number 40 for our Nat's birthday. I've never done numbers before. The 4 was okay, but the 0 was a bit more awkward, I found, but practice makes perfect. But I was happy with it, gotta admit I was. So I'm just gonna do that. The black glitter was Deep Space, now I remember. So now I've just put the pot underneath and I'm just gonna get my little, it was just a cheap cuticle pusher, I just use it as that. And just put it over, let it all sink in, dab off the excess, and then pop it in for a cure. Always double cure it, so you know it goes through the glitter. Oh, I didn't cure it. I thought I'd cheat and go on to the baby finger. It's a nice pink one again. Nice thin layer. Now I'm going in with Tickle Pink and just doing the same again, putting it all over the nail and letting it sink in. Make sure you got every bit. And then pop it in for a double cure. Okay, so I've cleaned off the excess glitter and that is the finished set. I really hope you enjoyed this as much as I loved creating them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!